Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off or stop Telegram notifications on your Android smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button. And now you want to select the apps tile. And now select where it says see all apps. And then go down to Telegram and you want to select that from this list and select where it says notifications. If you want to disable notifications, click inside that oval to turn it to the left. That'll disable them. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.